In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the COUNTIF and COUNTIFS functions in Microsoft Excel. We're working with a spreadsheet that lists professional boxers, including their weights and divisions. Instead of counting anything manually, we'll use formulas to get quick, accurate results. In this sheet, the weight column is in column E, and the data runs from row 2 through row 11. You can click anywhere, but I'll click inside the weight column so it's easy to follow along. To count how many boxers weigh more than 120 pounds, type an = followed by COUNTIF. This function counts cells that meet a condition. After the function name, open a parenthesis, then select the range you want. Excel to check, click and drag from E2 down to E11. You'll see E2, E11 in the formula. Add a comma to move to the criteria. Now we tell Excel what to look for. We want weights greater than 120, so type the condition inside double quotes as greater than 120, like this, 120. Close the parenthesis and press enter. Excel scans that weight column and returns the number of boxers who are over 120 pounds. That's the core idea of COUNTIF. One range, one condition, quick result. A quick tip, when the condition involves a comparison like greater than or less than, it must be inside quotes. Let's take it further with COUNTIFs, which handles multiple conditions at once. Click the cell with your COUNTIF formula and go to the formula bar. Add an S to change it to COUNTIFs. The first range stays the same, E2 through E11 with the same criteria, 120. Add a comma to introduce a second condition. Now select the division column, which is column F from F2 through F11. This is our second range. For the criteria, type heavyweight inside double quotes. Close the parenthesis and press enter. Excel now returns how many boxers are in the heavyweight division and weigh more than 120 pounds. COUNTIFs is powerful because you can keep adding range and criteria pairs to refine your count. Think weight, division, country, or age. Just remember two important tips. Each criteria range must be the same size as the others, and text or comparison conditions should go in quotes. If your data grows, you can also update the ranges or convert your list to an Excel table so the ranges expand automatically. That's it, a clean way to count with one or multiple conditions using COUNTIF and COUNTIFs. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please like, follow, and subscribe, and click the bell so you'll be notified when new tutorials go live.